Okay, this is the weekly weather briefing for Monday, March 3rd through March 12th, 2014. This briefing will cover the weather for the upcoming week across the inland Northwest. As always, forecasts are subject to change, so please check our website during the week for updated information. For this evening, we'll have mixed precipitation, especially across the Idaho Panhandle. Snow levels are on the rise, with snow in the higher elevations and a freezing rain mix at pass levels and below. This could create a hazardous evening commute, especially across the Idaho Panhandle. For Tuesday, we'll get a bit of a break. We'll still have some rain and snow showers across the Cascade Crest and the central Panhandle Mountains, and that should be light accumulations. Then the active weather pattern kicks in again for Wednesday and Thursday. We're going to have moderate to heavy rain and high mountain snow with warming temperatures. Friday and Saturday we catch a break, mainly dry with seasonal temperatures, and then more wet weather is on the way Sunday through Tuesday. This screen capture shows the local radar as of 1 p.m. this afternoon. The areas with the light blue and the green and some of the yellow pixels that may be visible in there show areas of precipitation that moved through eastern Washington this morning and into the Idaho Panhandle this afternoon. And this should be out of the area by about 8 p.m. tonight into western Montana. Still some active snow showers through the night, and we can see those again for tomorrow as well. Temperatures are on the rise, so anything in the lower elevation should be mainly as rain. Okay, this is what's coming up for about the middle of this next week. This graphic is the water vapor transport for Wednesday and Thursday of this week. The areas of yellow to orange and then looking at gray depict increased atmospheric moisture, or what we call an atmospheric river. And it's pointed directly at the Pacific Northwest. High amounts of subtropical moisture with origins close to Hawaii will move into the area, and that's very wet weather. You can see the arrows pointing right at the Pacific Northwest. If you look further to the west, there's areas off the Western Asia of reds and even some grays, and that's even better moisture. And if you follow the arrows, that's going to come over us. That'll be the next one for Sunday and Monday, showing just a massive amount of moisture coming across the Pacific that will affect us coming late in the week and first part of next week. Okay, as I said, we're going to see some warming temperatures, and this is going to allow the snow levels to rise quite quickly from now all the way through till Thursday. And actually, we will see the snow levels rise up to over 6,000 feet or even more tonight and early Wednesday, but then cool off again Wednesday night and Thursday. So for the most part, when we have our very active rain amounts, they're going to be anywhere from 4,000 to 5,000 feet. So what this will do is allow mostly low elevation or below 4,000 feet, of course, rain with high mountain snows, and we could see the Panhandle Mountains, especially above 5,000 feet, could see up to a foot of snow. Cascades maybe 1 to 2 feet. But you can see a widespread area of very large amounts of precipitation, up to a 1/4 inch in the basin, which is quite a bit. A 1/2 inch or more in the Spokane, West Plains, the Palouse area, down into Lewiston and Winchester. And then when you start getting up in the mountains, we're looking at 1 inch to 2 inches across most of the area. And again, that's going to bring up several feet of snow to the Cascades. So we also have freezing temperatures. Soil temperatures are below freezing. So all this rain is going to, and warm temperatures will melt the snow. That will add to the precipitation coming down. And we have the potential for some flooding. And here is the trend through this week. We have temperatures going up to about average by tomorrow, then above average for Thursday. Of course, that's when we get our best chances of precipitation. We got 80 to 100% on Wednesday and Thursday, and you can see a 1/2 inch to 2 inches, and staying above freezing for the most part across the area, and things getting to just about normal by this weekend. So what's that going to do is allow quite a bit of runoff into the rivers. Like I said, soil temperatures are at freezing or below, so we're going to see some ponding, some roadside culvert issues. Ditches along the roads will not be able to take care of that water, and so we're going to have some small stream flooding issues, but also some main stem, and this is what the Palouse River forecast is. Now we really need to keep an eye on this for the next several days, because these can fluctuate as we get better information to the RFC as far as precipitation. But here again, the little Spokane River at Dartford, looking at the action stage by Thursday afternoon, Thursday night. pretty high water. And then again, St. Mary's showing going up to action stage by Monday. But you can see those bumps and rises as we get that precipitation. As such, flood watches have been issued effective Tuesday night through Friday afternoon, and mainly for northeast Washington. That's Ferry, Stevens, Pend Oreille, Lincoln, and Spokane counties. And over in the Idaho Panhandle, just about the whole Panhandle except for Nez Perce and Lewis, and that includes Boundary, Bonner, Kootenai, Benoit, Latah, and Shoshone County under flood watches for the same time period. Okay, looking back at the 6 to 10 day outlook, we can see over on the right hand side temperature outlook for March 8th through the 12th, above normal temperatures, well above normal temperatures. We're down in California and Arizona, but above normal temperatures, and that's what we're talking about, warm temperatures all the way through till next week. And over on the left hand side graphic, that's above normal precipitation as well, so a good chance of having another good shot of moisture, and that's what we're talking about, that Sunday through Tuesday time frame. Looking at precipitation for the last 30 days, anything in yellow is about average. The light green shows about 1 to 3 inches, and then if you get into the darker greens, 3 to 6. And of course, if you go down into the Oregon Cascades, we're looking at 9 to 12 inches down there. But keep an eye up on to the north of us. We're looking at 3 to 6 inches in some of our higher elevations of Shoshone County, the Cascades. We did really well for the last 30 days, is picking up the moisture that we need for the upcoming summer. So if you look at snowpack, it's growing fairly well. The snow water equivalent actually is what we look at here, and everybody's running about 100% normal. The Okanagan Highlands still running 85%, and some of the southern Washington Cascades still 82%. But over on this side, we're doing fairly well. It's right around 100%, and that's a big change from what we saw in January, where everybody was running about 50 to 70%. So in summary, we're going to continue in an active weather pattern, warm and wet remainder of the week. There is going to be a potential for small stream and some main stem stream flooding as well. We will also see quite a bit of ponding of water on some of the dirt roads, some of the ditches and culverts will have some problems holding onto this water. So any questions, give us a call on that. And as always, you can stay informed by weather.gov Spokane. You can check us out on Facebook and Twitter, and we're open 24 hours a day if you want to call us.